ABC PowerUp!
That's right. It's our AZ Farm Animal Sound Challenge. We're going to find an animal for every letter.
Look, it's the letter A. A is for, ooh, listen. What animal makes this sound? It's an alpaca. Alpaca. Look at its fluffy wool. Alpacas hum when they're happy.
Alpaca. Look at its fluffy neck.
What comes next? B. Listen, it sounds so busy. Who is that?
It's a bee. Bee.
Look at its fuzzy stripes. Bees are so important.
B. Look at it collecting pollen.
After B comes C. Listen, what animal makes that sound? It's a cow. Cow. Look at her big spots. Cows give us yummy milk.
Cow. Look at it swish its tail. What a great sound.
What's next? D. Listen, he sounds so friendly. Who is that? It's a dog. D dog. Look at him wagging his tail. Farm dogs are great helpers.
Dog, look at it run so fast.
It's E! Whoa, what a funny sound! Listen, what could it be?
It's an emu. Emu. Look at that long neck. They can run super fast.
Emu, look at its long neck.
It's F! I hear something near the pond! Listen, what sound is that?
You got it. It's a frog. Frog, look at him getting ready to jump.
Frog. Look at its throat puff up. What a great sound.
It's G! Ha! That sounds silly. Listen. What a funny sound! Who is it?
It's a goat. G, goat. Goats love to climb and eat almost anything.
Goat. Look at it jump.
It's H. I hear fast footsteps. Listen, what animal is it? It's a horse. Horse. Look at its beautiful mane. Horses are strong and can run so fast.
Horse. Look at it gallop. What a great sound.
It's the letter I. Listen, that sound is coming from the grass. What could it be? It's an insect. Insect. Look at him rub legs together to sing his song. Insect. Look at it chirp. It's J. Whoa, that's fast. Listen, what could it be? It's a jackrabbit. Look at those super powerful legs. Jackrabbit. Look at it leap. What a great sound.
It's K.
Oh, that's the sweetest sound.
Listen, what is it? It's a kitten. KK kitten.
Farm cats are great helpers.
Kitten.
It's L. Whoa, that's a funny sound. Listen, what animal was that? It's a llama. L llama. They are cousins with alpacas, but much bigger.
Llama. Look at its long neck.
sounds like a horse and a donkey. Listen. What makes that sound? It's a mule. Mule. They are very, very strong helpers.
Mule. Look at its big ears.
It's O. I hear this sound at night. Listen. Who is it? It's an owl. Oh, owl. They love to live high up in the barn.
Owl. Look at it turn its head. What a great sound.
It's P. Oh, that sounds messy. Listen. What a great sound. It's a pig. Pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool.
Pig. Look at it play in the mud. What a great sound.
It's Q. That's a new sound. Listen. That bird is calling its name. It's a quail. Coo-coo quail. They are small, round birds that live in the fields.
Quail. Look at its little head feather.
It's R. This sound wakes up the whole farm. Listen. What a wake-up call.
It's a rooster. Rooster. He tells everyone the sun is up.
Rooster. Look at it crow.
It's S. Oh, that sounds so soft and fluffy. Listen, who makes that ba sound? Sheep! Sheep! Look at all that soft white wool.
Sheep. Look at its fluffy wool.
It's T. Oh, what is that sound? Listen, that is a silly sound. It's a turkey. Turkey. Look at that big fan-shaped tail.
Turkey. Look at it fan its tail.
It's you! This sounds like a sheep, but bigger. Listen, what could that be?
It's a Uriel. Look at those big curly horns.
Uriel. Look at its big horns.
It's V. Ooh, another tiny sound. Listen, what is it? It's a vole. V-vole. They look like little mice with round noses.
Vole. Look at it nibble.
It's W. I heal that by the flowers. Listen. Ooh, I know that sound.
It's a wasp. U-W wasp. We look at wasps, but we don't touch them.
Wasp. Look at its tiny waist. What a great sound.
It's X. This is tricky. Listen, it has an X in its name. What is it? It's a fox. F-O-X. Can you hear the X? Foxes are very clever.
Fox. Look at its bushy tail.
It's Y. Whoa, that's a big animal. Listen, what a low sound.
It's a yak.
Yak.
They are like giant, shaggy cows.
Yak. Look at all that shaggy fur.
It's Z, the last letter. Listen, it sounds like a cow, but different. It's a zebu. Zebu. You can tell by the big, giant hump on its back.
Zebu. Look at the hump on its back.
You did it! We made it all the way from A to Z. We heard the alpaca, the cow, the pig, all the way to the zebu.
Give yourself a big clap. How many did you guess? Ask your grown-up to write your score in the comments. Thank you for playing. Goodbye, little explorers. Bye-bye.